This is a nice powerful heater. It's not very big, but it kicks out quite a lot of heat. That red light's just saying that it is plugged in. The remote control has the same functions on it as the front of the unit. So you can do it, you can operate all the same buttons from a distance. Now, it's on, and it comes on low. You can adjust the temperature to whatever you like. What else can we do? We can oscillate. And we can put the fan on, stronger or weaker. You can put it on low or high. And you can set a timer. So right now that's 0. Oh, hang on a second. Let's put that down. Fan low. Low. The heat's knocking me out. It's so strong. Okay, so you can set a timer for 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 8 hours, and it will turn off automatically when it's done. Like I said, it kicks off a lot of heat, even on low. I am getting really hot here. This is really nice. This can go on a tabletop. This can go on the floor by your feet, wherever you like. It's a nice looking unit. It's compact, and it's very powerful. It's got a big air intake in the back. Nice little heater.